Hey, this is Jeff with Eternity Shore, and our launch saga continues. Notice I'm on our dock, but our boat is not on our dock. And that's because while I was dealing with all the other issues in the engine room, on the port side engine, the water intake hose, and the power steering cooler, I noticed when I tried to run the engines, they kept leaking oil. Both outdrives are leaking oil, and so I had to get it pulled. So right now, Eternity Shore is in the sling, thanks to Tommy and Lou. So she's over there, and I have until tomorrow morning to see if I can figure out what's wrong. And if I can't, if it's not the seals, if it's not any of the drain plug gaskets, and it's something else, I'm gonna have to have them block me and find somebody to fix the outdrives, or maybe pull them. Well, they would have to pull the outdrives. Right now I'm going to the dock box to get pans so I can drain the gear oil. First thing I need to do is drain it, and we'll talk about that. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check the oil level in each of these right now. I'm assuming it's all the way down, or that there's not much left because it's been leaking. So I'm gonna do that now. Now there is a gasket on there. We're gonna check that gasket. It looks like there's still oil in here. All right, there's a little gasket here. Put this back. All right, I took the props off the port side. I don't see any oil in here. Some paint coming off, but I don't feel any oil in there. Let's see if this was snug. Yeah, that is snug, so I didn't have that loose. No, I gotta turn it the other way. All right, so we're gonna see what color the oil is here. If there's water in here or not. The screw at the top is still in, so. Come on as fast. All right, here we go. No, that looks really good. That looks really, really good. All right, so here's the dipstick. Here's the fill plug, and here's the drain plug. And they have 3 different O-rings or gaskets on them. I got at the local marine store what I think is the correct sizes. I have no idea if any of these are leaking or not, but I'm just going to replace them anyway. But as we take them off, I will show you, and we'll see if there is signs of wear. But I honestly don't think this is the problem. Okay, I got them all off on the port side, and all off and put on the starboard side. I don't think this was a problem at all. None of these looked like they were problematic. All right, here's the situation. Boat's in the sling. I'm draining the oil, but the next step is really to do a pressure test on both of them. I don't have that tool. It's 1:45, and I've got till tomorrow morning at 9 to solve this if I want the boat to go back in the water at 9 tomorrow. Or if I don't know what it is, we got to block it, and maybe we need to pull both outdrives. we go again. We are seemingly confident that we can put this boat back in the water.